Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox the Lenovo Ideapad 130. So here is the package as you can see. So it's from Flipkart. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what's there inside. So yeah, there is a Flipkart logo over here. So let's just open it now. So here is the Lenovo box, the main package of the laptop. As you can see there is the Lenovo branding over here, and there is nothing at the back. There are some information regarding this laptop, price and the manufacture date and all. So yeah, just quickly unbox this package now and see what's inside. So here is the content of the package. As you can see, these are the instruction manuals, the safety warranty guide, setup guide and some basic paperwork. Yeah, that's all in the package. So let's just keep them aside and check out the other things present. So this is the power adapter. Yeah, the charging adapter. As you can see, Lenovo branding on the side of it. So let's just keep this aside and check the main thing. So this is the main laptop, the Lenovo Ideapad 130. This is the front look of the laptop. Here is the Lenovo branding, and at the back, as you can see, it's clean and some vents are there at the side. Here at this side there are all the ports available, the power adapter also. So let's just open it up and see. So that's the laptop. As you can see, the screen looks like what the keyboard is.